Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique paper decoration ideas. I'm gonna show different unique and amazing paper home decoration ideas you can make easily at home for different rocks art, stone art, different beautiful rocks painting, stone painting and etc. You guys know we can share different amazing paper decoration ideas like paper art painting, like paper art for family, for kids, for animal and etc. And I share different video tutorial for paper art, and you can make easily at home for different paper decoration ideas. You can make wall stone wall decoration ideas. You can decorate your garden. You can decorate your home, glasses, home bedroom and etc. And I knew you like my video, then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel and full watch my video. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.